Hello guys, welcome to BenTech Solutions, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. For example, you see all these are deleted messages, but how do we find them? How can we be able to read these particular messages? So let me try to type and say hey, hello. So the message has come here, hey, hello, and I delete it, and it is gone. Shows here it's gone. Assuming I'm not there, I could not be able to see just because I'm seeing. So how can we be able to find that? There are some few things we have to do. For example, we have to get third-party app. We have to get some app from the Play Store, and there are quite very many. There are quite very many of those apps, and for this particular video, I want to recommend us to use Noticev. So Noticev is very simple and it's easy to set up. Others may be complicated. So you're going to install it on your phone. So after installation, there are a few setups you have to make. But if you're watching my videos for the first time, or you've been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed, please today you subscribe so that you will not miss these very important tricks I always do upload on this channel. Also, you can like, comment where you've not understood. I'll be able to help you or record another video that can easily explain what you actually need. So our app is about to complete installation. We wait a little so it is installing. You can also look down the description. There are other videos that can be able to help you, and if you like them, you can watch them. You can watch them and share with your friends. Now the app has finished to install, so let's open it. I remember telling you that you have to accept some few setup. Always, that is by default. Every app you install, it must ask you a few things. So here it's asking save notifications and coming. You just say next, and also you again say next. So now how you're going to allow these notifications, and it gives you a small tutorial how you can allow this notif save. You allow it access. So you go next and you say allow and okay. So there it is. So when you tap once the back step, and it now brings you this allow Noticev to access photos, media and files on your device. So you're going to allow that. Now it's going to load the app lists in your phone which you want to be blocked. So it should not show up in Noticev. This is also important in case you don't want Noticev to record everything. But for this particular tutorial, I will leave the default apps to be on, and I don't turn on the ones they have turned off. So let's just leave it as it is. We go back, and that is all. You're finished up. So now let's go back to Facebook. Sorry, not Facebook. Let's go back to WhatsApp, and again I send a message. So my message is going to say, hey guys, we are learning how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. Good. So I've sent it and it has come here. Let's say that I'm not around, I have not seen this message. Now the owner, this Benjamin guy, has deleted it. So Morris is not around, he has not seen the message, but Benjamin sent and he has deleted. Maybe he realized it could bring some privacy issues. So you open here, the message is not there. What did this guy send? So how do you get this? So you go back to Noticev, you look for your app, come there, so it is opened. You can see here directly in notifications here. There are many messages here, but you particularly go for the one that sent you the deleted message. For example, this is Benjamin here. We just tap the top one. It is actually here. You tap on it. So there you have about three there. Depends on how many people sent you messages. So you open that deleted messages. You see this? The message was deleted at 6:26 p.m. But the message was, hey guys, we are learning how to read deleted WhatsApp message. But if you go and check on WhatsApp here, there is nothing deleted. If you come here, it is deleted. You see? Yes, you see? That is very interesting. Please subscribe, like this video if really it helped you, and also you can share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and come back again next time.